All documents related to transports you order via Saloodo are automatically saved in your dashboard. To view the documents, click on My Shipments. As you can see here, the documents are always assigned to the respective order. In addition, there are various filter options that ensure that you always have a complete overview, no matter how many order documents are stored here. After you have clicked on My Shipments, you will first see the transports with the status Active Orders. These are the transports that have not yet been completed. You can also call up documents for transports with a different status. For example, orders that are still in clarification. These are orders where some reported changes have been made, e.g., different number of freight items, changed load weight, etc. Under Archived Orders, you will find all transports that have already been completed. Finally, incomplete orders are transports where a problem occurred and the transport was cancelled.